is an absolute time capsule car. There's no rattles, the suspension is really tight, everything works on it. Rear defroster, wipers, washer fluid, the radio works in it. Look at this, non-smoker car, no cigarettes forever in this car. The dash has no cracks in it, just absolute timepiece. I am at 7,385 whopping miles on it. Horn works. You gotta come out and see this car. If not, we will ship it to your home or to your office. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're working really hard on some cool videos here with Robbie. And here we're coming up to the Pagoda. This is built in 1908, historic landmark here in Reading, Pennsylvania. And it was built for a hotel and a restaurant. Check that out. Car clubs meet here, motorcycle clubs. We're gonna get some video in front of it. Hi, this is Pat at McGinty Motorcars. Thank you for watching our video here. We have a really special car on consignment from our friend Steve. A 1979 Firebird Trans Am with over 7,000 miles on it. He bought it with 2,000 miles on it. We have it documented. 6.6 liter. The car is an absolute time capsule. The vehicle, everything works as far as radio, the heat, rear defroster, the radio. It's such a special car, and we're really happy to have it in our warehouse for consignment. Behind me is the Pagoda here in Reading. It was built in 1908 as a hotel and as a restaurant. It was dedicated to the city in 1910. We thought we'd bring this special car up behind a special building and give you a tour of the car. Go ahead, Bob. All the decals are in great shape. Window, moldings, tires. The car was just recently inspected. It's got brand new PA inspection emissions on it. Take a look underneath the hood here. Look at that, all factory, unmolested. Air conditioner car, you still got factory markings on it. Motor's good, trans good. We just drove it up here to the Pagoda. Take a look on our website, McGinty Motorcars. We have over 100 photos of this vehicle. Documentation, this was in a Netflix movie. More details about that on our website. And please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much.